Have you ever missed a perfect shot because your drone camera was pointing in the wrong direction while flying? Imagine flying through a dense forest or a fast-paced event without ever worrying about where your camera is looking. A few days ago, DJI dropped a mysterious teaser. They did not show the actual drone. They did not even mention its official name. The short video clip mostly focused on a very unique camera perspective. But that single visual clue was more than enough for the drone community. With many recent leaks floating around, people quickly connected the dots. Now, DJI has followed up with another official teaser. They have officially confirmed the name of the new product. The new drone is called the DJI Avata 360. This teaser carries a very bold tagline. It says, "Above it all, see it all." This simple phrase perfectly describes the purpose of the new device. DJI calls this new drone an 8K flagship 360-degree drone. It completely changes the rules of aerial video. Instead of trying to frame your perfect shot while flying, it captures the entire 360-degree environment automatically. You just fly the drone through the space. Later, when you edit your video, you can easily reframe the perspective. You choose exactly where the camera looks after the flight is over. It takes away the huge stress of being a perfect pilot and a perfect camera operator at the same time. Sources also say the camera will switch between a full 360-degree capture mode and a standard forward-facing view. If you want to fly it like a normal fast FPV drone, you use the forward view. If you want an immersive edit later, you switch to the 360 mode. DJI officially confirmed the launch date is set for March 26. We are just a couple of weeks away from seeing everything. The DJI Avata 360 will feature amazing 8K 360-degree video recording. 8K resolution is extremely important here. When you crop a 360 video down to a normal flat video for YouTube, you lose a lot of pixels. Starting with a massive 8K file ensures your final video still looks sharp. It will also have lower resolution modes to save storage and battery. The leaks also talk about the internal technology. It will use DJI's latest O4 transmission system. This provides a strong live video feed with better range and less lag. There is also talk about a possible 4G backup connection. If you lose the normal radio signal behind a building, the 4G network keeps you connected. This makes flying much safer. Speaking of safety, it will feature upgraded obstacle sensing. Rumors say it uses advanced LiDAR technology. LiDAR uses invisible lasers to quickly measure distances and build a highly accurate 3D map. It works great even in low light or near thin objects like tree branches. This drone will be very smart at avoiding crashes. You also get great compatibility with current DJI gear. The Avata 360 will work perfectly with the popular goggles N3. These let you see what the drone sees in real time. It will also work with the RC Motion 3 hand controller. This lets you fly just by moving your wrist. For traditional pilots, it is fully compatible with the RC2 controller. Pricing details are not officially confirmed yet. However, leaked listings from a European store give us a rough idea. The drone alone could start around €459. A standard Flymore combo with the RC2 controller is listed at €939. A Motion Flymore combo with the RC Motion 3 and goggles N3 is also €939. A premium combo with both controllers and goggles is €1159. Accessories are also affordable. An extra battery might cost €79. A replacement lens kit is just €21. Extra propellers are about €9. In my honest opinion, the DJI Avata 360 is going to be an absolute game changer for creators. It solves the biggest problem for solo pilots, which is capturing the perfect cinematic angle while focusing purely on flying safely. The combination of 8K 360 recording, LiDAR safety, and flexible flying modes at this leaked price point is simply unbeatable. It opens up professional-level aerial filming to almost anyone.